Good morning, P3 students. Today is Thursday and it's the 25th of June 2020. For today's learning objective, we are going to identify magnetic and non-magnetic materials. So teacher already discussed about some of the materials that are magnetic and non-magnetic. When we say magnetic, it means that that material is attracted to a magnet. So yesterday I showed you a magnet, right? So this is a small magnet here, over here. So again, some materials are magnetic. They are attracted to a magnet like this. For example, this clip is made of metal, and it is magnetic because when I put the magnet, it will stick into it, right? You see this? Okay, so today we are going to discuss more about materials and see if they are magnetic and non-magnetic. Okay, so again, our learning objective. You ready? Very good. So I can identify magnetic materials that are attracted to magnet and non-magnetic materials. It means they are not attracted to a magnet. Okay, so here are the words. So we're gonna go through this. So these are flashcards of material. So again, a material. The word material means that anything that we use in order to create something. Like for example, metal. We use the metal to make paper clip. We use the wood to make ruler. We use some plastic and some metal to make a scissor, right? Scissors. Okay, so here we have materials. So we have number one, we have glass. Next, it's metal. Number two, metal. Three, plastic. Wood. Paper. Rubber. Fiber. Fiber is it's like a thread. It's also used to make fabric, right? Fiber, fabric. We have cotton wool, a combination of cotton and wool. And wool comes from the fur, the skin of some animals like sheep. And we have the wool. We have water, sand, rock, and concrete. So we know that, okay, let's go it one by one. Is glass magnetic or non-magnetic? Non-magnetic. Very good. Metal. Metal is magnetic or non-magnetic? It is magnetic. So metal, but some metals like aluminum, they are non-magnetic, but most of the metals are magnetic. Plastic, non-magnetic. Wood, non-magnetic, not attracted to a magnet. Paper, we experimented this yesterday. Paper is non-magnetic. It's not attracted to a magnet. Rubber, non-magnetic, not attracted to a magnet. Fiber or threads, not attracted to a magnet. Non-magnetic. Fabric, like the ones we use for clothes, non-magnetic. It's not, fabric is not attracted to a magnet. Cotton wool is also non-magnetic. It is not attracted to a magnet. Wool is non-magnetic. Water, is water magnetic? Will it be attracted to a magnet? No, right? So therefore water is non-magnetic. It means it is not magnetic, not attracted to a magnet. Sand. Sand is also non-magnetic. Means it is not attracted to a magnet. Rock or stone is non-magnetic. It means it is not what? It is not attracted to a magnet. And concrete. Concrete is a combination of cement, water, sand. We use this to make buildings, build walls. Concrete is magnetic or non-magnetic? It is non-magnetic. So again, concrete, rock, sand, water, wool, cotton wool, fabric, fiber, rubber, paper, wood, plastic, and glass are all non-magnetic. So only one of these materials that is magnetic. But as I've said, not all metal also is it's not magnetic, just like aluminum. So that's only the exemption. But with all of this, metal is the only material that is magnetic. But again, not all metal are magnetic. Alright, so for your assignment, you are going to write all of this in your notebook and then identify if it is magnetic or non-magnetic. Alright, so that would be all for today. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.